Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Ryan. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic. In this video, let me show you this Carly adapter, an OBD2 scanner, where you can plug it to your car to do diagnostics, check your car health, etc, etc. This was sent for me for a review. I'm gonna test it. I'm gonna try to make this video as simple and easier as I can. First things first, let's see what's in the box. This was already open, but I'm gonna show you anyway. There you have it, guys, the adapter itself. Very tiny. Let's put it to the side for now. So over here in the box, you can see download the app, plug the adapter and start the app, available for both Android and iOS. So what you need to do is plug this into your OBD2 port. Most recent cars have this port, so that's the only thing you need to do. I'm going to leave a link down below so you guys can purchase the adapter itself, and you need to buy a subscription as well so you can use the adapter. Saying that, let's plug this into the car and see what can we code and what can we see on my old E46. The OBD2 port should be under the dash. This is available for many models. You just need to plug it there and you're good to go. Next thing, let's grab the phone. Okay, let's turn it to position 2. Let's grab our phone here. Open the Carly app, and first thing we need to do, we need to connect it to the car, to the adapter. And there you go. As you guys can see here at the bottom, insights about your car. You can check our car health, used car checking, coding, and all features. Let's go back. So we have our car here. First things we're going to do is check the car health and check for issues. So the adapter will do a check on our car. This is good because you need to go to the mechanic to perform some tests. You can do it at home. Let's see what this will find in this particular model. So far, 2 issues and diagnostics complete. So let's have a look. You have 2 issues: air conditioning and instrument cluster. Everything else, we have a green light. So let's clear the issues. Pretty straightforward. I think anyone can do this. Clearing complete. Alright, so before you go to the customization, let's have a look at this used car check. Check for mileage. So the adapter is doing a check. Okay. It will check for the VIN number. You can match the VIN number on the app with the car itself. You can check the mileage of the car. And you also know it was built in 2003. Yeah, guys, good information. Next, let's do some coding. Depending on your model, you should have different options for coding. This is an old E46. We can only change 2 ECUs, the GM5 and the lite module. So let's start, for example, with the lite module. So first thing I'm going to do is read out. It will create a backup. Good stuff. And here we can see all the options that we can change. Let me move the camera to the front of the car. So here we are. First thing we're going to try is the US side markers. Let's see how fast this will do. So let's do it. Let's change it to on. Code now. Alright, code anyway. Alright, code now. This is real time. I'm not going to speed up the video. Let me turn the lights on the car. So we got nothing because we need to turn this on as well, the second option there. And probably the daytime running lights as well. So let's code anyway. I agree. And it's working. Next, let's try just to switch it off. Let's just daytime running lights on. That's very high, and this will be the dimmed eye beams on. Code now. And just like that, we have the dimmed eye beams as a daytime running light. So you have flash to pass as well. We have the hazard lights double dot standard. Let's see if we can do that straight away. So double, then up. Let me turn it on and off. And there you have it, guys. Very easy to work with this stuff, guys. Let me show really quick the options you have here. Daytime running lights, you can change the brightness as well. Flash to pass with by xenon, fog lights with I-beams, hazard light double or standard, crash lights standard or double. Follow me home, you can change the time of your follow me home lights. Brake force display. Yeah, guys, a lot of stuff that you can change. Next thing we're going to look at is the GM5. First we're going to read it. So on the GM5 you have different options for your alarm and optical confirmation of unlocking the vehicle, like the indicators, they will flash and you can hear a beep. Or not, to hear the beep, I think you need to have a siren installed in the car. If you don't have an alarm system, this won't work. The visual confirmation, yes, but not the sound. You can change the alarm interval sound, alarm with I-beam, so the lights will flash when the alarm is on. Yeah, different stuff that you can do with this. Pretty straightforward. You have all these options. On this one, for example, you can change the speed where the car will lock itself, depending on the key as well. If you have different keys for the car, you can have different drivers. Loads of stuff that you can change. If you want me to try anything in particular, please do let me know and I'll do it for you on the separate video. This is just to show the overall settings of the app and what we can do with this adapter. Yeah, guys, for my E46 there's only 2 modules, but I believe for example for the E90 or even other VAG models, the VW group, I think you can do some nice coding as well. Another thing you can check on the app is the live data. So continue to live data, and here, so the car is running now, as you guys can see. You can add different information. For example, battery voltage. There, here we can add, let's have a look here. This is all the options you have. Going all the way down so you guys can see. You can see the vehicle speed. Let's put it there. And for example, coolant temperature. So for the purpose of this video, let's just add these 3. Start readout. And there you go, guys. Start readout. You can see the battery voltage there. If you go to the dashboard. Yeah, guys, that's it. You can see in real time what's happening with the car. yeah, guys, I think overall this is a good thing to have in your car. Although you need to pay a subscription, but you can get, for example, a couple of friends and you can split the costs. I think the costs are slightly high. And saying that, guys, I think it's time to wrap this video. I hope I give you a good impression of what this adapter can do. If you want me to test anything in particular, like I mentioned, let me know down below in the comments and I'll try my best to show you. I'm gonna try this adapter on some other models. Stay tuned to the channel for that. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button, and guys, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Saying that, thank you very much for watching and hope I can see you all in the next one.